Stella Matthews. I chair the Splash Community Trust Board.
I'm Denise Chadwick, General Manager for Splash Community Trust Plasmatic Leisure Centre.
We run a very busy local leisure centre, provide services and a community hub for the local and wider community.
We offer a wide variety of activities, from the sports hall, football, to the climbing wall, indoor climbing wall we've got. We have a large variety of classes for all those fitness fanatics out there.
When we took over this leisure centre, I don't think any of us realised that we were taking on a £750,000 business. We started with 8 full-time members of staff. We now employ over 40 people and put over £250,000 into the local economy. And the jobs are crucial to this area.
Our vision is to grow stronger and stronger. We've managed to successfully secure certain grant funding where we're upgrading many parts of the facility. We're continuing to look at opportunities to change, develop and grow and continue to work with the community.
Since February 2015, where we employed our first 5 member staff, we've developed to expand our services in the community in the Rhondda, and we are embarking on the Cynon Valley as well. We're in the process of developing and opening our 7th creche, as well as developing a soft play centre where we've got community access and community benefits. Any profits made from that then is reinvested into our organisation. We're also developing community links training courses and access to employment and support for community members. And we've developed a Generations Together approach, which brings the generations together of all ages, from birth to the elderly, who are embarking on different experiences, bringing all those holistic approaches together.
My name is Leanne Herberg and I'm the Chief Executive of Cardiff and Vale Credit Union. We're a member-owned financial services cooperative providing ethical and affordable financial services, including savings and loans to 10,000 members. Anybody who lives in Cardiff or Vale of Glamorgan is eligible to join us, and also anybody who works in any part of Wales. And we know that 1 in 3 families don't save regularly, and 1 in 5 don't save at all. Our growth, we hope, is working towards addressing that and building a savings culture for people in Wales. Next year will be our 25th birthday, and we feel it's our time to become a real transformative driver to improve the financial well-being of people in Wales. And we actively encourage everybody to join their credit union and actively use us for savings and loans.